Hello, aspiring investors. Welcome to the beginning of an exciting journey that has the potential to transform your life. Are you prepared to take charge of your financial destiny? Picture having the ability to make your money work for you, to grow your wealth, and to realize your financial aspirations. The world of investing might seem daunting at first, but believe me, it's an exhilarating journey that anyone can undertake. Whether you're aiming to save for retirement, purchase a home, or simply grow your savings, investing can help you achieve your objectives. This guide is your roadmap to navigating the stock market, specifically tailored for beginners like you. We'll cover everything from the basics of what stocks are, to more advanced strategies for building a diversified portfolio. We'll simplify complex concepts into manageable pieces, using straightforward language and relatable examples. You'll learn how to read financial statements, understand market trends, and make informed decisions about where to invest your money. Don't worry if you're starting with no prior knowledge. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. We'll begin with the basics and gradually build up your knowledge and confidence. Remember, the most crucial step is the first one. Taking that initial leap into the world of investing can be intimidating, but it's also incredibly rewarding. So buckle up and get ready to explore the world of investing. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started, from setting financial goals to choosing the right investments for your needs. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to take control of your financial future. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. Imagine a company like your favorite coffee shop. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of ownership in that company, called a share. The stock market is like a giant marketplace, where these shares are bought and sold. Companies issue stocks to raise money for various reasons, like expanding their business or developing new products. As a shareholder, you have the opportunity to participate in the company's growth and potentially earn a profit. Now you might be wondering, why should I invest in the stock market? Well, unlike stuffing your money under the mattress, investing in stocks offers the potential for your money to grow significantly over time. Historically, the stock market has delivered higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts or bonds. While investments always come with some level of risk, the stock market has generally trended upwards over the long term. Section 4, Growth versus Dividends. Different stocks, different flavors. Not all stocks are created equal. Each stock has its own unique set of characteristics and potential benefits. They come in different flavors, each with its own characteristics. Understanding these differences is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Two main types are growth stocks and dividend stocks. Each type serves a different purpose and appeals to different types of investors. Growth stocks are like the fast-growing startups of the stock market. These companies are often in their early stages and have significant potential for expansion. They reinvest their profits back into the business, aiming for rapid growth and share price appreciation. This reinvestment strategy is designed to fuel further growth and increase the company's market value. Dividend stocks, on the other hand, are like the established companies that share their profits with shareholders through regular dividend payments. These companies are typically more stable and have a long history of profitability. Choosing between growth and dividend stocks depends on your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for rapid growth and are willing to take on more risk, growth stocks might be the right choice for you. However, if you prefer a steady income stream and lower risk, dividend stocks could be more suitable. These stocks provide regular income through dividends, which can be particularly appealing for retirees or those seeking passive income. It's also worth noting that some investors choose to have a mix of both growth and dividend stocks in their portfolio. This strategy can provide a balance between potential high returns and steady income. Diversification is key in investing. By holding a variety of stocks, you can spread out your risk and increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. Ultimately, the choice between growth and dividend stocks comes down to your personal financial situation, investment goals, and risk tolerance. Take the time to research and understand each type of stock before making your decision. Remember, investing is a long-term journey. Whether you choose growth stocks, dividend stocks, or a combination of both, staying informed and making thoughtful decisions will help you navigate the stock market successfully. So, explore the different flavors of stocks, understand their unique characteristics, and align them with your investment strategy. Happy investing! Section 5. Taking the plunge, your first steps into the market. This is where your journey into the world of investing truly begins. It's an exciting and sometimes daunting step, but with the right guidance, you can navigate it with confidence. Ready to take the plunge? The first step is to prepare yourself mentally and emotionally. Investing in the stock market can be thrilling, but it also comes with its ups and downs. It's important to stay focused and not let emotions drive your decisions. Opening a brokerage account is your gateway to the stock market. This account will serve as your primary tool for buying and selling stocks. Think of it as your personal trading hub, where all your investment activities will take place. Think of it like a bank account that allows you to buy and sell stocks. However, unlike a regular bank account, a brokerage account gives you access to a wide range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Many online platforms offer brokerage accounts with user-friendly interfaces and helpful resources for beginners. These platforms often provide educational materials, tutorials, and customer support to help you get started and make informed decisions. Once you've chosen a brokerage, you'll need to fund your account by transferring money from your bank. This process is usually straightforward and can be done online. Make sure to transfer an amount that you're comfortable investing, keeping in mind that the stock market can be volatile. With funds in your account, you're ready to start buying your first shares. Begin by researching companies and industries that interest you. Look at their financial health, market position, and growth potential. When you find a stock that aligns with your investment goals, go ahead and make your first purchase. Congratulations, you've taken your first step into the market.